Tracking storms tonight across not West Michigan yet, but eventually. Here's a cold front, pretty powerful one. Strong thunderstorms here across northern and central Lake Michigan. These will continue to push just north of east. About Ludington State Park northward is where we have the best chance for some strong storms within about an hour and a half to 2 hours from now. You can see special marine warnings. These are the boxes posted in blue. And then a little bit farther to the south, we've got another line of storms here stretching from just between Milwaukee and Madison down towards central Illinois. Severe thunderstorm warnings here and tornado watch box up for Illinois. As these storms cross Lake Michigan, they're likely to weaken to some extent. Also, the best instability parameters, the conditions in the atmosphere that we look for the best storm initiation across northern Michigan, where we have this tornado watch posted. So I think the threat for really truly severe weather outbreak across West Michigan, almost zero. Now, I can't rule out an isolated severe storm as this line pushes across the lake into West Michigan in the next probably 3 to 4 hours from now, but the chances for severe weather, again, pretty low here across West Michigan. Here's the leading edge of the cold front and the storms to the Lakeshore, Holland, Saugatuck in about 3.5 hours into 131. So this would be Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo around 2 to 3 a.m. before we start to see the storms here. A lot of lightning with these storms. This is the closer view, of course. We're not seeing anything. The wider view shows that this is a pretty healthy storm system stretching all the way from the southern parts of Lake Superior down toward Texas, where we have tornado watches. A lot of lightning. Just in the last hour, we're seeing 13,000 and change lightning strikes. Here's what future radar shows us over the next several hours. The best place for storms right here at the very top of your screen. This is Manistee County and Benzie County getting the best chance of storms. And then as this line pushes across Lake Michigan, likely going to continue to weaken, not just because we're hitting the cold waters of Lake Michigan, but because these storms feed off the energy of the sun. And we don't have that anymore. The sun set around 8:20 tonight. It's kind of like Gatorade and high-octane fuel for these storms when the sun is out. Not the case anymore. We don't have that daytime heating to cause instability. This is the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for through 8 a.m. Everywhere shaded in yellow, which is everybody watching this broadcast right now, we have at least a slight chance, and I think that's a pretty accurate representation. The chance is small, quite small, for severe weather overnight. A few thunderstorms seems pretty likely, but severe weather, chances are low. South winds right now becoming southwesterly, as high as 24 miles per hour here in Holland, 26 mile an hour, consistent breeze in Muskegon. Still warm. We're after 11 o'clock. It's 78 right now in Grand Rapids. Incredible. Temperatures are going to take a nosedive because we've got this cold front off to our west. Look at this, 43 International Falls. That cold air, unfortunately, is indeed headed our way. It'll be here by tomorrow night. Temperatures actually tumble through the day tomorrow. Here's my 24-hour forecast. You saw that, the storms pushing through. Pretty uneventful for West Michigan. The best action south of Michigan and across northern Michigan. Here in West Michigan, yeah, we could see a few storms, but severe threat, like I said, pretty low. By 6 p.m., look at these temperatures. Instead of low 80s, we're in the low 50s as temps actually take a bit of a nosedive starting overnight. By 11 p.m., we're still in the mid and upper 70s, but look what happens by 9 a.m. down to 53. At 11 p.m. tomorrow night, this time tomorrow night, Larry, we go from 78 to temperatures in the 40s.
How rare is that?
It happens from time to time. Spring and fall are the times when we get these huge swings in temp, and it doesn't happen very frequently, but
not that size, eh?
It's Michigan. Exactly. Yeah, indeed. Breezy tomorrow, and then some mild weather here for Tuesday, Wednesday, and a slight chance of snow next Sunday. Can you believe that?
No, I cannot. And we will be staffed just in case anything happened overnight.
Right, 24/7 here in the tracking center, and we'll keep an eye on it. But like I said, I think the severe weather threat tonight, pretty low.
All right, excellent. Well,